Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Tessie once again. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo the Progressive Reclamation Center here in Lantaw. Yung mga tinatambayan namin na many times. Ito, may barko na dito at ganyan na ang itsura. Kung noon, full ito na, there's nothing in here. And that is the other progress. So, I hope I can see the progress. Pero this one is in the making daw is 3 years. So, this is ito yung lagi naming pinagkakampingan ni Rash, Joanne, and other friends. This is the place. Kaya ito ang gusto ko lagi dahil meron ito. I hope pag na-build ito na magiging bahay ito hindi bahay na pang-kuan, pero it will be barbecue area, camping site, toilets, and probably some basta reclamation center, recreation center. Sana hindi nila patayin, i-preserve nila yung kahoy na ito kasi dito ang pinaka maganda na po. Shade. Kasi sigurado ito for rent yung camping site and barbecue site. So imagine ito yung dagat. As in dagat ito. Nakon. Then it will become a big house soon. Merong continuation sa taas. Doon sa may gilid ng kalsada. Sa taas niya. Na nilalakad namin. So it will be yes, but stay there. I'm talking with myself. Ito yung dito nila i-deliver yung mga gamit dito. It's not on the road. Hindi nila, preserve nila yung kalsada dito. Itong area na to. So they're not passing the materials from here. Ayaw nilang kasi otherwise the road will be traffic. So ang gawa nila is the boats from other island or the deliveries from this, and it will be here. Kaya ayan ang mga deliveries nila habang wala pang mga tao. Pwede akong pumunta dyan. Steady batch ay bawal. Safe pedestrian access. Steady batch. Kasi if in case na wala ako dito sa Lantaw at nandito pa si Virgie, I can ask some progressive videos after a year. Ganito sa kwan. This is November 9. Hindi ko binidyo yung una nilang kwan. Una nilang hukay. Na-disturb na ang mga crabs dito And there's the sunrise. This is Lantaw Island and Shungsha Beach. Yan ang ang bahay. Shade nila pag sila naglalunch. No smoking. Oh, let me see the progress. Ganyan, Ito yung picture niya, layout niya. January, March, blue. Ano kaya may color code system only. Lifting gears. Ayan oh. And then ang tubig. Kaya nila sooner maging semento yan. Kaya yung mga metals dyan na malalaki oh. And then, ayan, meron ng mga bricks na nilalagay oh. Kasi yan oh, yung bricks na yan oh. Yan. Na ilagay nila sa gilid para later on mawawala yung tubig sa gitna. And then, full na semento. Malalim yan. Kaya nila linagyan ng net para for safety sake sa mga trabahante na walang mahulog. Uy, ang mga bato oh, na kinuha nila dito. Mga bato, kinuha nila dyan, malalaking bato. Work in progress. Oh, parang fish pan oh. Galing sa dagat. Pangit tignan ngayon. Because they are in work. So once natapos ulit ito, naku po, magiging very busy ang lantaw. Kasi kung very busy ngayon, pag weekend and during holidays, mas busy later on after pag natapos ito because of this recreation center na gagawin nila. Ganda oh. It should be very beautiful soon, but it is 3 years in the making. See yung boat na nakaparada here for it's already a month na nandito. 1 month lang ito in the making oh. Pero ganito na yung progress nila. Kaya dito last month, ang mga aso na nakatambay dito dati, yung 5 aso, hindi ko pa yata pala na i-upload yun. Gusto ko lang i-video ito dahil I will not be here for sooner. Iba na ang working site ko later. Para maiba naman ang ma-video ko. Para pag na-miss ko, I'll just watch this one. Na-miss ko ang lantaw, I just watch this one. Diyan ka lang, buddy. Don't be annoying. I'll just go and get the waves. Because the sound of the waves is nice. It's not. Ayan. Malakas ang waves ah. Say hello, waves. Kunin ko lang ang sound ng waves ha guys. Manonood na lang tayo. sound of the waves. Ang lakas, yan. Malilinis din ito once na natapos ito. For the meantime, medyo doon na lang muna sila sa magkabila ang space. Birdie is going home. The sunrise, but it's covered by the boat. This is not grabe, oh. Ay, may na mga natulog dyan, oh. Meron nang lumalabas, oh. May mga tao nang bumababa, oh. May natulog pa. Di dyan pala sila natutulog yung mga trabahante, oh. Kaya pala early morning meron na nagtatrabaho. Siguro may mga CCTV rin dyan para makita nila kung sinong taong lalapit dito kasi bawal nga naman. For your safety sake, do not pass over there. Kasi hindi pwedeng sabihin mong kasalanan nila. It is your kasalanan why you go inside. Wow, there's the birds, but you cannot see. I only can see. So this is once again, this is Lantau Island, going to Buda, passing by, going to Buda, they pass by here to Shungsha Beach. And Tayo. I think I have to go back to Pushan viewing deck to get another memory. So, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.